Alright, so I went and transferred all the game meat, deer, elk, whatever the hell, and odds and ends that nobody else likes. Alright, so we have deer sausage in here. A mess load of it. A mess load of it. There's some pork sausage in there. There's a hot pork sausage. Some boudin. Some deer loins, more sausage, more sausage, more sausage. Okay, what we got? Alright, so this is all freaking deer burger. Now we got damn, there ain't at least 40 pounds in that bastard. And cube steak. Cube steak. And if you like cube steak, deer cube steak, it's like hell. Like that. It's a bunch of them. I ain't gonna count it. There's deer ribs in there. More cube steak. God damn. There's elk in there somewhere. I think it's on the bottom. And there's backstrap. I think I said backstrap already. Yeah, there's backstrap. So that's all the food that was given to them. Never even thought about being cooked. Okay, bye-bye.